In today's video, guys, I want to talk to you about mindset and how to become a trader and make money trading cryptocurrencies. Having the right mindset is the key to it, and I want to cover that in this video right now.
The mindset of a successful trader, key to winning in the markets. Being a successful trader goes beyond mastering strategies and performing in-depth analysis. While these are important, the critical element that often separates a winning trader from a losing one is mindset. It's not just about finding the right system, but developing the psychological framework necessary to consistently make profitable decisions. Many beginner traders fall into the trap of believing that success in trading comes from discovering a perfect strategy that will allow them to profit consistently. They believe that once they find the right method, all they have to do is show up each day, apply their strategy, and watch the profits roll in. However, experienced traders know that it's not that simple. Even traders with sound strategies often lose money. The difference between consistent winners and those who struggle lies in the ability to develop a winning mindset, the role of attitude in trading success. One of the biggest challenges for traders is maintaining a proper attitude toward the market. Many traders believe that the market is rigged against them, leading to a negative mindset. This attitude can cloud judgment and prevent traders from evaluating opportunities objectively. The truth is, the market is neutral. It doesn't care whether you win or lose. Self-belief is another essential element in a trader's psychology. Winning traders have confidence in their abilities, and this self-assurance isn't shaken by a few losing trades. On the other hand, traders who doubt their abilities may hesitate to take risks, missing out on profitable opportunities or cutting their profits short due to fear of losing. Characteristics of a winning trader. Successful traders share several key psychological traits. 1. Risk tolerant. Winning traders are comfortable with risk. They understand that losing trades are a natural part of the process. People who cannot handle losses emotionally often struggle with trading. A high tolerance for uncertainty is crucial. 2. Adaptability. Market conditions can change rapidly, and successful traders can adjust quickly. They aren't married to a single analysis or viewpoint and are willing to shift strategies when necessary. 3. Discipline. Winning traders are highly disciplined. They can objectively view the market and make decisions based on facts rather than emotions. They don't allow the emotional roller coaster of wins and losses to dictate their actions. 4. Emotional control. They do not let winning trades lead to overconfidence or losing trades to despair. Emotional control is key to consistently following a well-defined trading plan. 5. Self-regulation. Profitable traders follow strict money and risk management rules. They calculate potential risks versus rewards before entering any trade and never gamble recklessly. 6. Acceptance of being wrong. One of the most valuable traits in a trader is the ability to accept that they may be wrong more often than they are right. What matters is how they manage trades and mitigate losses, rather than how often they are correct in predicting market movements. Understanding trading with the right mindset. Many beginner traders worry about the value of the asset they are trading dropping before they can close the trade, leading to potential losses. This concern, though valid, often causes traders to overlook the bigger picture of trading. An excellent analogy to explain this mindset comes from real estate. Imagine you bought a property in the United States around July 2023 and rented it out for a steady income of $800 per month. Now, let's say the house price index year over year for the U.S. decreased to 4.50% in July 2024. You see the value of your property dropped, and that could be a lose of over $22,500 based on average property prices. Would you rush to sell the property, locking in a loss and forfeiting your monthly rental income? Most likely, you wouldn't. Your concern isn't the current market value of the property itself, but rather the income it generates for you. The same principle applies to trading. As long as your trades are producing regular profits, your principal remains active and continues working for you. Instead of focusing on the temporary dips in the market, think of how your trading capital, like the property, generates profits that you can use as you wish. By maintaining this mindset, you can avoid the emotional reactions to short-term fluctuations and keep your focus on long-term profitability. Trading, the balance of freedom and discipline. The freedom to buy, sell, enter, or exit at any time is one of the appeals of trading. However, success requires self-imposed rules and the discipline to follow them. This freedom is often what traps many traders. They love the flexibility, but hate the restrictions that come with proper risk management. The truth is that trading is a demanding profession. It requires a high level of confidence in the face of uncertainty. The sooner traders accept the reality of risk, the better they will perform. Having the right trading tools is essential for any trader looking to succeed in the fast-paced world of financial markets. Whether you're just starting out or an experienced trader, using the best tools can mean the difference between missed opportunities and consistent profits. Jonny Blockchain is one of the leading trading platforms, offering advanced tools and features for traders at any level. With automated bots, real-time data, and customizable strategies, Jonny Blockchain empowers traders to make informed decisions and maximize their potential without the need for manual intervention. It's a tool that works for you, 24/7, ensuring you're always in the game, mastering yourself, not the market. Many losing traders make the mistake of trying to master the market, but the reality is that the market cannot be controlled. Instead, the focus should be on mastering oneself. A trader who can control their own actions through discipline, emotional control, and risk management will find long-term success. The best traders spend more time working on themselves than on trying to perfect market analysis. They recognize that no analysis will ever be foolproof, and rather than waste energy seeking perfection, they invest in developing their own skills. In the end, the most significant factor that determines success in trading is the ability to control one's mindset. Mastering the market is impossible, but mastering yourself can lead to consistent profits over time. Jonny Blockchain's trading bots are designed to help traders of all levels lock in profits without the interference of human emotions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, emotions like fear and greed can often cloud your judgment, leading to impulsive decisions. Jonny Blockchain's automated bots remove these emotional barriers by executing trades based on preset strategies and real-time data, ensuring consistent, logical trading decisions. By leveraging these bots, you can capitalize on market opportunities 24/7 with the assurance that every trade is driven by precise algorithms rather than emotional reactions. This makes it easier to achieve consistent profits, no matter the market conditions.
Create your own trading robot. Below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You can either use it with a MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap, or you can set it up with Binance.com and Binance US. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.